Hello?
Hello. Wait. So, little disclaimer. I just spent like 15 minutes trying to do my intro, and I meant cookie making time, not cooking making time, but my lazy I'm not about to fix it, so
You're not fixing it?
Why would I do that?
Because it's gonna look like poopies. Hey guys, what the frick is that?
Welcome back to my channel. Be out here making cookies. We be out here. So today, get in the freaking thing. Today
We are making
we out here making cookies. Not from scratch because we can't do that. Did you just hit me for the 80th time? Okay, Chase.
Give it to me, I wanna get a sleep cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get a sleep cause of me.
You have to go step by step. You're so loud. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're making Pillsbury chocolate chip.
So,
A.
first things first. Preheat oven to 350.
You sound like a freaking robot. Preheat oven to 350.
350.
See? Can I have one?
The oven. Wait, oven?
The oven! Oven.
Next, you wanna place cookie dough rounds about 2
I wanna
inches apart
lick you from your head to
on an ungreased cookie sheet. Okay. Go get my phone. Ooh, bitch. Bitch Haley. You wanna try a piece of cookie dough? I'm gonna have a piece. I don't care. You stupid bitch.
Bluetooth mode.
When you're walking down the hall and you feel something
Snack.
fall, diarrhea.
It's not gonna
You can see the crack in my phone.
Okay.
I love that.
Haley, it's not connected.
A little bit. I get it how I live it. I live it how
Device pair.
device pad. By my tongue.
Take cookie dough pieces and place them 2 inches apart on a cookie sheet, ungreased.
Stick it 2 feet up your arse.
You should see me in the crowd. I know there's nothing
Down.
my favorite sound. What's me think about?
Little piece of hair. Just kidding.
Is that too close? Yeah.
I love
Was that good?
That was great. Dying for.
Inside of her. You say I think the baby.
Your neighborhood.
Yeah.
I love that. We should be like, want some cookies?
That's rat poison in them.
I love that.
You should see me in a crown.
Wait, can you play? I don't want to be you.
I didn't know what you were gonna say.
Yeah.
Oh my god, stop touching me there. La, da, da, da. Way Father, Lord. Do you want to mix the rest and make a big cookie?
Oh my god, we should put like mashed up Oreos and make
We'll do that with these.
Okay, yeah.
Because I don't want to ruin a whole batch.
Okay, so do you want to make those after we make those? Because that makes perfect freaking sense. Call me Einstein, okay?
What?
Do you want to make those after we cook?
Yeah.
Okay, forget. High five. Did you
Let's not use all the ones.
Double stuff like me. We need to like mash them up in plastic bags. We just like yeeted that.
We don't have plastic bags.
Here, I'll do 4. Actually, I'll do 5. Mash up Oreo. Owie, that hurted.
Oh my god, sis.
Alright. And then we'll just mix all the cookie dough in there and just stir it around. Okay, and
Then we just, ready? Wait, wash our hands.
my hands are clean.
I don't trust you.
Oh my god, this is gonna be
Oh my god, that probably feels so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the Oreos are making a mess. Bitch. It is.
How do you do this?
Can I give it a whirl?
Yeah.
Ew.
Can you finish it for me? I did so much work, Chase.
It's like ASMR. Hold up. These are gonna be so good.
It'll cook.
Is that ready? Yeah.
That's good. That's great. I love it. Oh.
Okay. It's not that much, but it's something.
How good is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
So good.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm going to 11.
11? I love that.
Can you get a paper towel and like kind of clean that up?
Yeah.
Thanks, sister.
Okay, brother.
600.
Getting too old for this. Okay, wait. Do you have like a spoon so we can make little balls?
No, I don't eat with spoons. Stop, don't eat it all. Don't, stop.
Tell me I'm not a freak.
Oh my god, that was a lot. So we made a DIY. It literally looks like a piece of Haley whatever. We're not gonna make them that big because I want a lot of them. So like roll it like this.
Yes. Tell your sister about the mash.
No.
You should. And that right there is tea.
You just literally eat like 3 cookies of this.
Let me go get my water.
Okay.
Like really soft and not hard.
Girl.
Your
Ooh.
your face.
Oh my god, there's Oreo on it. Show them.
At least I think I do.
Oh no.
That was too close to home.
Oh, bitch, what?
Yeah, it needs like a little, like, I'd say 3.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
You don't like God as a woman? I'm recording you.
I'm recording you too.
Fifi, 6'9". The right one.
Let these big bitches know, nigga. Queens, Pussy got that wet, got that ginger, got that super soak. I hit that she a Fifi, honey, Kiki, she eat my dick like it's free. I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why.
Wait, can you play Tati?
I just can't wait that.
Hold up! Let me get it started!
If you with the stiffy
Little.
69
like Takashi calling pop.
Hold up!
Let me get it started! Baby with the rope!
Did we overcook them? Haley.
No, they're good. They're not. Look, they're not even cooked.
Yes, they're cooked. They cook on the pan.
Okay, now time for the Oreo ball.
The mega.
We need some more lighting in here.
They tried a 16 times.
Oh. Okay.
Stupid bitch.
Right. Oh, we should have the lighting the whole time. It's.
Oh my god, they're overcooked.
No, Chase, they're not.
You stupid.
Excuse you? Watch your freaking potty mouth. Alright, Chase, show us how it's done. Yes.
Stop. Oh. Pillsbury, you've done it again.
Pillsbury dough me. Did I really just say Pillsbury?
Sponsor us. What is it? Pick that up. Oh my god.
How thick?
Thick with 5 C's.
Okay. Oh my god, it smells like a fat Oreo
So
just
good.
exploded. It's awesome. I love it. It's everything, you know? It's everything I wanted more in a Are you laughing at me through the camera? It's everything I wanted and more, you know? Wait, what's suffocating? Are you calling me fat? The dance to the ding ding. Okay, now cookie time. Okay, those are yes.
Those are bad. Hey.
Yes. Okay. Now we just gotta let it sit, and then we gotta scoop.
That was our video of
That was our
literally
freaking
doing
video.
nothing.
Literally just
I'm so sorry you have to watch this.
just us being thick queens and making.
Some bomb cookies.
Yeah, they were just fantastic.
It's a really bad video.
Someone just hit up Gordon Ramsay and tell him like share this video to him. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know it's good. You know it's good. Yeah. Okay.
Bye. Love
Bye.
you.
Should see me in a crowd. When there's nothing to watch me make 'em bow.